All right, class. Here is the agenda for today. You should be on the subpage. Well, you are on the subpage if you are watching this video right now. Today, your objective is to research your organ system that you were given on Friday. For your warm-up, I want you to watch the following video clip and write down some tips on how to be effective during a debate. There's a link to the video clip right here. So you can see how that little hand popped up. You can click right there and watch the video clip. If for some reason that does not work, I have also embedded the video clip below. So you'll watch this fun little looking clip, learn about the art of debate, and then write down some tips for your warm-up as to things that you can do to be effective during a debate. Notice the agenda. So today you're working on you'll do your daily log, you'll do your debate research report, and then your report is going to be due on Wednesday. So let me go over what that report is. So here we go. So directly below there is a document that I have embedded. So it states, follow along with me, the human body is a series of connected systems that work together to make your life possible. While all the organ systems must work together, we will be arguing why you believe that one organ system may be more important than the others. Debates are an opportunity for students to craft well-thought-out arguments centered on evidence and engage in discourse that allows them to see many sides on issues. With proper research and argumentation, any system can win this debate. It's going to be up to how strong your arguments are. In order to do this, you will need to research and explain at least 3 well-crafted arguments using claim evidence reasoning on why your body system is the most important. Your research must be cited with 3 sources minimum, and these 3 arguments will be printed or written in your science notebook. Okay? So most of you are going to do a lot of background research. I don't really expect much to be going quite into your notebook yet, but I will reserve pages 73 and 74 of your notebook for this. Okay, so these are the systems that you have been assigned. So each one of you has a separate system that you're going to be arguing for. Now we haven't talked much about claim evidence reasoning. I'll get more into this in the outline document. Hopefully in humanities you guys have practiced this, but for each argument, in order to have a strong argument, you need a claim. Okay, a statement that answers the original question. Our question is, why is your body system the most important? You need evidence that supports that claim. So I want actual scientific data that you have researched from a source, a valid source that supports your claim. Okay, so I need some facts in there, and I need to know where that evidence came from. You need reasoning. So reasoning is the part where you explain why your evidence supports your claim. This should talk about, why does your evidence matter? Why is this important? Really kind of explain as much as you can about your evidence and the validity of it in order to strengthen your arguments. Okay, so citing sources. If you're not sure how to cite sources, you can click on that link. You do need to properly cite at least 3 sources. Now the grading rubric is posted on this page as well. 10 points is going to go into content accuracy. Is the content that you presented accurate? There should be no factual errors. There should be an excellent synthesis of information that meets the assignment expectations. You need to understand what you wrote as well. I don't want to see information copied from a site that clearly is too complex or you don't really understand what you are writing and saying. So make sure that you're able to synthesize and figure out what you're talking about. It needs to have proper writing conventions and formatting. That is 10 points as well. Okay, so use proper grammar. All of your arguments need to go into the claim evidence reasoning format, and that format should exceed expectations in the rubric above. Okay, you also need to have at least 3 sources that you use in your research. Now your sources can be from some links on PowerSchool. There's some on the Chapter 3 Body Systems page, plenty of them. You can do some Google searches. You can use a digital content portal. You can use our school library, whatever you need to, but you need to cite whatever source you use. Okay, so 36 points of this debate is just going to be the written portion. Okay, and then we're going to have some additional points that are going to go for the actual debate. All right, now to help some of you organize this information so that you meet all the requirements, I have created an organ system debate research report outline. And there's a link right here. If you click on the link, it's going to force make a copy. And then this is what the copy looks like. Okay, so I have argument number 1, claim, evidence, reasoning. Okay, if you forget what each of these means, I have written a quick statement as to what those are. So we have argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. Okay, that should be the outline for your 3 main arguments that goes into your report. Now, I added this in the document as an additional support. So in the debate, you're going to be challenged, your group might be challenged, and to help with the rebuttal phase, understanding how your organ system supports other organ systems will be helpful. So as you're doing research, you may want to fill in this chart right here as a guide, so that if let's say you're the respiratory system and the digestive system's attacking you, if you can respond to how you actually help the digestive system, that might help enhance your argument. So understanding how you work with other systems is going to be important. So I just put this little chart here that you can fill out to help you with the actual debate rebuttal phase. Okay, so that is it. You can start with using the outline, or you may want to just create your own Google Doc and just start doing random research and finding claims and evidence to support those claims. And then from there, pick the three ones that you think is the most important, and then work on your actual arguments. Okay? All right. Good luck today. Make sure you're on task, you're researching. Your written portion is due on Wednesday. Wednesday we are starting the debate. It must be printed or handwritten out in your notebook. All right? Good luck. Bye.